Alrighty then, mic check, and we're back for the afternoon session. As usual, few minutes late, been kind of rushing up here. Got a lot of things going lately, getting my day in court tomorrow. Justice shall be served. Let's go. Alrighty then, don't forget trading is risky and all that fun jazz. Let's get straight to the charts. We got 5 trades to get in here this afternoon. Trying to get winner chicken dinner to add to where we currently are. Currently at 26.35 in my leader account. And let's see, let's make sure real-time protection is turned off still. I like to double check on that. Real-time is off so we don't have any interference with AV while those are coming in. I think the mic looks a little hot. Is mic check. Give me a check on the mic. Check 1, check 2. Check 1, making adjustments. Test 1, test 2, test 3. All right, somebody post the link in the chat there and let everybody know that we are live with 5 trades to go. Let's go. Let's see. I'm going to grab it here, and I'm going to share the link myself. Go.
Vinny Emini said we are live on YouTube. Let's go.
All right, let's go this one out here and get a pop out chat here. Actually, was that still working? Kind of cool. All right, I'm gonna try this pop out chat and see if it's going to work. Give me a moment here to get your questions on screen here. Don't forget, go back to Mentorship Monday of this week. We had a lot of training. If you are brand new with us, you're gonna want to go back to Mentorship Monday on Mondays. We kind of, for the new folks, you're just joining. A lot of people join us over the weekend. In fact, recently especially, a lot of people jumping in on that 2-week free trial. So welcome aboard to all of the new folks. We hit a lot of that more on a Monday than I will here today, although if the markets are pretty slow here this afternoon, which it seems like it's kind of crawling along right now, but you never know. You know how it is with the market, can all of a sudden pick up speed. I'll have to kind of get straight to things. Let's go to Super Chat here and pop that into the room. Cha-ching, there we go. What's up, GG? What's up, MVP? Eddie B. Everybody give me a shout out there in the chat, and do me a favor while you're doing that shout out. Getting ready here. We got 2 minutes till the final hour of trading here. Smash that like button for me. We are flat right now. What do I mean? Flat line. Okay, so I'm not doing anything right now. Let's just leave it be. For now, let's take a peek at the MACVU. MACVU is buy side, so finger hovering over buy in the event that we are going to take something. Let me look back cadence-wise to see if we've got Enigma cadence set up for us. Wow, I haven't seen Enigma in a while. Whoa, last Enigma that setup was at 11:22. Is that right? Hold on. My eyes deceiving me. There was nothing for the afternoon. Wow. Holy shnikes. Okay, so we're coming into a very odd afternoon. Look at where we're sitting right now. So we got a straight leg up there, so no great opportunity came in there. Very interesting on that move up. Coming into a Gartley structure into the multi-Bollinger Band touch with divergence. Interesting. Pulled down 3 bars at 35 a piece. That's over 100 tick drop pullback. Going to be staying on the side of the MACV Ultimate. That is all I'm thinking here in the final hour. Whatever that says, that is the direction I'm going. I could literally uncheck shorts right now and enter continuous to the long side, which is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to go 4 small to start. And I'm actually going to turn it off right now because we are flat. We have come into, this is exactly the thing that I talk about. Like, I would like to have a reverse button right now. In fact, which is coming in a future release. We will have a button there to go, okay, we hit the flat line. I can reverse that for target 1, target 2. Let's see, J-hook long set up, getting ready on the 1Rs. Oh, this here. I see what you're saying. Yes, trap, J-hook. Very good analysis. Let's give MC, is that you? MC. Let's give MC a hand clap. Let's get some hand clap emojis in the chat there for MC. Seeing the J-hook potential setup here. Let's do F8 and see where that's going to land us. Right here would be the entry. Let me come back here. I got two contracts on a J-hook. It's in our direction. Don't like that we're flat. There's the back of it. Give me 1 bar up. Nope. Went straight through the green area. So now I need to wait for a 4-legged dog trap before I can play that. Stop would be below this blue line, so it's going to be a very tight stop. This is going to be awesome. 1, 2, 3. I want to see a 4th leg and then a dog head potential move up there. That old target up there is looking pretty juicy there for the double cross, double move target as well. And, oh, hold on. No, wait. What just happened? Look. Short side. Nope. So I'm going to flip this to shorts, and I am, are we coming off of the 0 line? We are. So I'm going to tap that, and I'm actually going to go 5 small. No, 4, because we are going against longs favorable. Sorry about that. First time. Okay. Let's, we are going against the daily favorable, but we are with Mac VU. Everybody understand that? If you get it, type a 1. If you're confused by what I just said, type a 2. I'll try to walk through it again. Tony, I've never seen you ever chat before. Are you a member? Are you here to troll? First time I've ever seen you chat, and first thing you do is come in here and be like, are you gonna... Tony, state your piece, my friend. Make it a good one. You've got 30 seconds before I have you removed from the chat. You seem to know too much about me to ask a silly question like that. And all of a sudden, like, are you gonna... Which turd do you represent? Or are you just representing yourself and you've been bashful? Give you the opportunity to explain, and then I shall send you on your way. Not the place to play. All right. 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Show me a dog head. I got my finger over the eye. Unfortunately, this is red, so you're gonna have to give me audio box. I'm gonna need to hear audio box doing the Rice Krispies treat sound. You know what I'm talking about? Before we pump in on that one. We are at that major level we talked about earlier today. That's why it was there to begin with. Okay, so Cat's got Tony's tongue. Tony, I'll ask one more time, my friend. Are you a member? It's the first time you've ever said anything, but you're acting like you have been following me for a while. So have you just been hiding in the shadows and now here to troll? Or you genuinely asking a question? Are you in a 2-week free trial? Explain yourself now, or I'll go ahead and have you removed. I am just still going to answer your question, though. I've already answered it this morning, though, multiple times. So in June, we did a June bug challenge. Giant June bugs. So big accounts, big targets, working positions, big size. And then I told our crew, so we will come in and do some smaller accounts, which would be what people who are starting here will be doing. So you kind of get the best of both worlds. And if I'm doing a smaller account, that is more teaching and training capacity for individuals so that they can have more of me talking through and training through, which is difficult on an NQ, which moves at speed. So for the third time that I have said this, and yet you act like you have been following me long enough to know that I'm a Q player, which has been a while since I traded in Q. So I know you've been around a while. So again, state your place, your purpose, and if you're here to troll, we will send you on your way. If you're not, give it to me, because I think you're here to troll. All right. And I'm getting my justice tomorrow, so I'm about to wipe them all out. I am about to wipe all of these turds out. It's going to be amazing. Justice shall be served. I will be putting the truth in public domain and let the chips fall where... Ooh, strong sell now. Okay. So, not looking for a trap. That would have to shift all the way to neutral before I can do that, and I would need to hear audio box clacking pretty click, and right now we are full strong sell. Yeah, RTY gives me a lot more opportunity to talk to you guys, walk you through, because the plays are slower, which makes a lot of sense. Yeah. So you guys tell me, do you guys like the slower pace of the RTY and me being able to talk more, or do you guys just like to see the fast action of NQ and you don't care whether I'm able to talk through it or not? We'll poll the crowd again for that. What do you guys think? I've gotten feedback already that you guys are liking more of the teaching training, had opportunity to do while I'm able to walk through trades and talk through trades because they take longer. But if we're wrong about that, let me know. If you guys want to see faster action and all that kind of stuff, then let me know. And we'll give it a go. Smash that like button real quick. Do it. Trading RTY, it's great. RTY, yep. All right, Tony, happy to hear it. Thank you for explaining. Like the slower stuff, it's much easier to retain. Excellent. You trade when BPM is slow. You tell me. Either or works for me, but I personally like the huge contract size master trade. Yeah, see, so there are the people who have large accounts. We have, I'm not going to name names here on some of the people, but we've got some folks that I was actually surprised. I said, yeah, what are your targets? I'm talking to one of the guys, and he's like, there's a guy in our room who has $20,000 targets. He gets upset if he gets less than $10,000 in a day. And I'm like, what size are you playing with? And he's like, well, he gets up to 50 contracts. He doesn't have a seat on the exchange or anything, so he's doing 50, but he trades ES where he can go up to 100 contracts. I'm like, what? Anyway, it's fascinating to me sometimes that you don't really know all the people who are in your crew. You know, on occasion you get to chat with them. I had a great chat with Petros earlier today. He's going to be helping us out on the stocks side. You guys be looking forward to Algobox stocks. We've been talking about that for about a year now, and we're finally there. Ooh, we just got an 11.1. Let's watch this, see if we get a shift. There we go. Okay, there's the first click. I need this to go all the way to neutral before we can, but look what just came in up top left. There's my 11.4. 11.2, nothing. Make a little turn, pivot, push down. 11.1, pushing up here. King timing. Let's see if that one's going to give it a go, but I need, again, afternoon. I am not going to play unless the MACVU is with me. Has to be at least neutral for me to play against it. Algo stocks. Yeah, it kind of has a nice ring to it. Algobox stocks. So it's some XX consonants going on there. RTY in the A&M, talk with it. NQ and PM. Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe so. Maybe NQ in the afternoon. I'll think that through. Little of both. I like that idea. I feel like I think the RTY NQ is too jumpy most of the time. Yeah, a lot of the times it is. Running with RTI, in my opinion, is better. True. I'd say move back to NQ if the speed is way too slow on RTY. That's true. It's like you want to switch, but the problem is me live streaming 4K, even at a 14900 PC. You know, my PC is, yeah, she's taxed to the max with multi-charts plus OBS live stream at 4K, 60 frames a second, music, and all that.
DCDMRTY.
Learn more when you're on RTY. I'd love to hear it, Noity. Thank you for that. Good to see you, sir. What Eddie said would be good. Yeah, it's kind of do both. All right. Morning versus afternoon. Man, I need to put like some kind of deal on that, like explaining that to people who come in, because you know how it is. New person comes in, they see one or they see the other. It's consistency is a little bit tricky with that, but if I make it very clear and perhaps an intro video, I've always wanted to make like an intro video so I don't have to talk through stuff when I first come on. It's on the list. It's coming, I promise. I'd like to see you trading in any market. Always learn something from new. Thanks, Pablo. Appreciate that. But he said another one, backing up Eddie on that. I'm new here, so my opinion shouldn't carry much weight. Hey, but you know, it does. If you have been around trading and you already know NQ, you know, you can't discount your experience with it. And if you're like, hey man, I like NQ, so let's go. Perfectly fine. No shame in that. I mean, I love NQ, man. Like me and NQ, we get along. But you know, sometimes I got to get tricky with things to be able to, you know, NQ is that she's wild child, you know, and sometimes with a wild child, you gotta do some things, and it's hard to when someone's, you know, new to your stream, and I care about y'all's opinions. I care about the new folks who are coming on board, and I don't want to, you know, spoil your enthusiasm or your, you know, potential desire to get on board, but all of a sudden you see something that's like, oh wow, that was wild, I don't understand that, that was crazy, hold on, and you're not going to take the time to go through the 40-day training program just because you saw some live stream where it went, you know, I had to do things quickly, and that's the first time you saw it, and now that person ends up going to some Muppet like ICT. He's like, listen to me guys, just trust me bro, just trust me bro, trading strategy is the best. Trying to save the trading industry from the Muppets. One exposure video at a time. What's up, Mr. Taylor? NQ get along. You like it? Yeah. I mean, it is. It's fun. It's fast. Most of the time. All right, we are strong sell. So my idea on the buy side is not happening. Let's go back down here to the ones. We just got a cluster at the top of a, well, it's really outside the zone, just barely outside the zone here. But look, we have gone up and hit that twice. Strong sell, and we have remained over here. So right now, I'm not going to be taking that long side play right now. So what's our time? 3:14. Again, this can change any moment. 15 seconds from now, we're getting a new 15-minute bar. So let's see what comes here. Something's going to come out of this. That is a lot of consistent volume coming in right there. So we'll see if they push. I got my finger over the buy in the event that we do that little push-up run, but it might fake it if it goes snap up and then boom, comes down. That happens. So let's prep up. We know that we are currently MACVU red. At the same time, we got longs favorable here, and we are outside the golden ropes. Look, from what we had this morning, whoops, sorry, full screen instead of over. Remember this morning we were in the golden ropes, so I was happy to, try to stay in that area and had some confidence that I wasn't going to get, completely ripped there. We were going to sit in there for a little bit, but now we're outside of her, so we're outside the zone of safety. We can come all the way back down to her. We can start running up. We've got a structural target up here. That's 2188, call it 2190 above that high there. So that could happen. Let's look at the untouched zones. We have not even hit the prior high from the day before. So if they want to run that up there, touch the prior high, and then bring it back down, that is an option. They could run it up there for a narrative play since they've sold off in the morning and now they've been grinding it all the way up all day. They could run this all the way up and leave it above the prior high just till the close so that they can say, we closed positive on the day, because right now, like, we are closing in the negative, right? Everybody, well, where's the prior close? Where's prior close? I misspoke. I apologize. No, actually, we are positive on the day. Scratch everything I just said. Sorry. Prior close is down here. So skip that. We're already positive on the day. So more so of a hard read here from the high time frame perspective. So I don't care. I'm going to play the I don't care game, and I'm just going to take a play. What's our play? My play, so when I think through that sequence of decision making, it's called a decision tree. So how do I make my decision tree? Well, I try to look at the high time frame first, see if I can decide something. If I can't find it there, then I get to move down to my lower time frames. What's in my lower time frame purview? And especially in the afternoon, this is vitally important, more important than others. So I'd rather ride the wave and take my plays in the direction of that one right there, even if I have to skip out on some really awesome plays like this. Now, what's really cool is this is an advanced question. So for the Petros in the room here, Petroses and others, the smart folks in the room. So I have a target for a DCDM, right? This is an up move, but what is my reversal play? If I miss the DCDM, what do I say? What do I also have the opportunity to do? If a DCDM, I'm questioning it, I don't get it, what's the next play that I can still use off of a DCDM? Boom! Pablo coming through. Pablo said, not today. Petros can't have all the fun. Pablo's like, boom, GLR, baby. That's right. That's exactly what I was looking for. GLR. Gold line reversal. Petro was number 2. No surprise. No surprise, but Pablo coming in hot. Petro number 2.
DCDM RTY.
Yes, lots of GLRs. Gold line reversal. That is right. Gold line reversal. So where's my play? Right up here. So now, and that is in the direction of the MACVU, yes? So I'm already mentally preparing to take that short. Everybody understand that? If you understand the GLR, go ahead and join the rest of them. Type GLR in the chat. If you don't, type a 2 for me, and I'll try to explain a little bit more, especially when we hit this area here. We got 2 spots for a little one-bagger snagger right up here. But I do need to keep this in mind. I'm going to be watching this. If this shifts off of this, then that bet's off. We go all the way to neutral. However, if we stay on the red side, I am taking that GLR. Walking you guys through my thought process. And just want to point out that look how much time I have to talk through all that. Because it's RTY. I got more time to talk you guys through stuff. I'm not having to react as quickly. So I can walk and chew bubblegum at the same time. I can trade well and be able to communicate through them because there's more time to speak through it, right? So I did see 1, 2 in there. Okay, so I'll walk it back through again. For those of you who typed a 2, do you know what a GLR is, first of all? Just those who said 2, type a yes or a no if you know what the GLR is. If you don't, then I need to explain that through and we'll go from there. I don't want to over-explain what the GLR is if you already know what that is. But then if it is, I know what a GLR is, but you don't understand why I'm absolutely going to take that right now, then I'll walk that through. Oh, it's only your second week. Okay, so you don't know what the GLR is. That's fine. We'll get through the training. You'll go to the advanced double cross, double move video. And there are I think 2 or 3 advanced DCDM videos. Or did I say DC? Double cross, double move videos. You'll see the standard, and then you will see 2 or 3 advanced on various options to play. That is one of the, one of my favorite types of plays on a DC anything. Double cross, let's go, baby. Look how the market reacts. If there's a double cross, boom, look at the reactions. Like, look at them on the screen right now. Did the market react there? Yes.
On the 8th.
Did the market react there? Yes. Held the whole thing for a while. That's still a reaction. Look at this. Boom. Pivot turn. Love double crosses. Now, deciding on direction, I have sets of rules for that. Right? Now, we didn't get long, and we were right. You know what I'm saying? Because, look, we just stick on the MACVU, right? Why risk it? And we could take that as a DCR if this were at the top of a zone, which I didn't draw a zone in here. There might be a zone there. I didn't take the time here to draw a zone. It's a little bit kind of fugly here in this area right now. So I'm just basically waiting for a play that matches my red side, and it can be anything, right? In this case, the next one will be a GLR. I love a good GLR. It's right there. Gold line reversal. So pops that gold line, boom. It's as simple as I'm literally going to go short right there. Boom. Take it for a short. That's it. Keep it simple. Playing the video game. ES poured one out for the homies. Did you get a short on that on the ES? Yeah, you're right, Tony. 100%. Totally, 100%. I literally said that it was just that I didn't draw the zone. I hadn't drawn the zone, and I should have. So you're 100% right. I should have drawn the zone. And it's because this one's sitting here. I need to go ahead and remove this one. This one's been there a while now. But yes, if I had drawn the zone, then that absolutely, you're 100% right. Right? Here's the width of the zone. Right? Right at the top of the zone. 100%. How do we know? Right? Here to here. There's your start of your pivots. Here's the width. This is actually a wide zone as well, so we know higher time frame is in play. So those zone drawings are important. They can really, show you what's happening there. I can also squeeze this in a bit if I play this one right here, and then if we assume that these were little fake out breakouts, right? And then because it's also in the direction of the MACVU, we can take that as a DCR. Yes, you're 100% right, Tony. You've been I was wrong about you, my friend. You have been studying up, so kudos to you. 100% right. 100%. What's up, Douglas? Good afternoon to you, sir. Yeah, thank you, Eddie. So Eddie just put a link there if you want to go to docs.algoboxpro.com. It's got a link there to /strategies to go specifically to the strategy you're looking for, but on the left-hand side, you'll see all of our strategies laid out on the left-hand side and all the details around them in a visual format, as well as text-based definitions and links to videos on those as well. Now, it's not the full mentorship training videos, but there are pieces of those, and some of them are some of the videos that are included in premium. If you head to our algoboxpro.com and click on training at the top, you can go through the 2-week free trial training materials, free. Go to the docs section, free. You can join our Discord room, 100% free. Free. It's free 99. How about that? My favorite price for things, How about you? Free 99. And then you got a 2-week free trial. No strings attached, free. Try it out. If you use code ALGOBOX for Apex, if you're going to get Apex and you're wanting to make sure, you know how it is. You're like, well, what's the deepest discount on Apex? I want to make sure I get the deepest discount. I got to look around. I got to search around. No, you don't. If you ever use code ALGOBOX, you guarantee yourself to have gotten the deepest discount on all Apex accounts. That's our deal that we worked out with them. Apex and ALGOBOX. Start with A, end with X. It's a match made in heaven, I tell you. All right. Speaking of matches made in heaven, if you do all the free 2-week free trial stuff and then you decide you want to hook it up, right now is a good time to do it. Last time to get Enigma before September 2nd is actually when we are cutting it all off completely. No more Enigma into the future. But if you want to hook it up, it's right there, $24.99. You also have a 10-month payoff if you'd like. available there on the website thanks to PayPal's payment program. That's the top left. Let's come back down here to the bottom. We are waiting to see how we react around that major level that we had drawn out before. Keep an eye on this MACVU. We are still sell side, but we're no longer strong sell. Shift into neutral and potentially look for a long, which would be in our bias on the long's favorable direction scenario here. Oh, we just got a blue dot up top. Okay, let's look for longs. I need the MACVU to get with me though. I need to hear audio box. I need to hear this go yellow, and then I can start to snag in on a potential trap that looks like a very strong trap. People were really looking like, okay, big long leg. Everybody wants to get in, down, down. You're looking in. This looks like a trap. All I need is an entry, and I will play into that trap. Blue dot on the MACV. Why is Enigma going away? Because it's awesome. Because it's literally freaking awesome, and too many people jumping on something reduces the edge. If everybody presses the button all in the same place, you understand it's diminishing edge, yes? So protecting the edge. It will be available for stocks only. It will not be available for futures, but you would need to get it before September the 2nd. Plenty of time to make that decision. We're out here. We're number one in the world. I mean, you either want the number one tool in the world or you don't. Okay, there's a cross. I can get in like a boss. All I need that to do is go neutral for me. Go neutral for me. Go neutral for me, bruh. Go neutral for me, bruh. That is a trap and a half. Brandon, you've been listening to too many idiots online, bro. Welcome to the real world, where contract counts matter. Okay, that's a 2-minute warning till BTFD. Come on, go neutral for me. Go neutral for me. It's a 2-minute warning for the BTFD. Maybe she'll pull back a little bit for me and go neutral. Wouldn't that be nice? If I can catch a bid. Don't run without me, baby. Give me a neutral. A neutral. And coming off of that blue dot and divergence and bottom Bollinger, and it's a W. Do you see the W pattern? If you see the W, type a W in the chat. If you don't, type a 2 and then go check out the W. The winner pattern. Let's go. I'm neutral. We just went neutral. Jumping. Do you see it? We're neutral. Cool. All right, I'm putting this off the side. It's game time. Game time. BTFD. 2 minutes till 3:30. And I'm going to punch a runner for the W. W's in the chat. Yeah, you would consider that, David. Yeah, in fact, I teach that in like one of the very first training videos is the MACVU is the final filter. Yes, exactly. Precisely. Daniel, you've been paying attention, bro. Absolutely. MACVU is the... Well, I'm sorry. Not the MACVU, but the MACV. This MACV off of this. That is MACV Ultimate though is a major filter. That is just a bias direction filter. I still need the final filter is this one, whether I should take a trade or not. Like we're at the flat. I just realized we're at the flat right now. Really need to wait until that's off the flat. But we'll give it a shot here. I will look to capitalize on this one. So we're right back here where this cluster is on the left. I don't think you guys can see it. Maybe I'll squeeze it down like this. See, you can't see it behind the cluster. It's behind the text there. Let me do this. See that cluster over here to the left? So there's a lot of people who got in right there. Did they fake them up and came down? Are we going to break them out? We don't know, but this is going to be a major level right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a big F6 right here. Top of the zone as well, but we're going to make it thicker, because this is going to be likely a major point here to the end of day, in my opinion. Up or down could be the decision line for us, and I like to see decision lines. It's kind of just one of my things. I kind of call them decision lines, where there's a lot of algorithmic activity, catching people off sides. Who do they want to run against? Who are they running with? Who wants to protect their position, etc. when they are wanting to take profits. One thing that I like the most about this is this crazy W pattern thing off of a blue dot with divergence back behind it. Things that I like the most about what's happening right here. 331 and it's BTFD time. Currently longs favorable. The market is currently positive on the day. Talk about the things I don't like. Still neutral. We are not technically on the moderate buy. I would like to see this in moderate buy for me to really get sauced on it. So currently in a half position and my first trade for this afternoon. So I'm going to put off my coins down here in the bottom left. Trade number one. A lot of time to talk through things because it's slow. One place I will add is right here with these guys. So a lot of people would have also gotten trapped here. I can add here on this white line. I can add here on these double white lines. Targets filled. Curtis, Eddie, there are questions coming into the chat, and it's really bothering me that you guys are not answering these questions that are technical. What is going on? Answer the questions. Someone is saying the playback isn't letting me use the Enigma at all. It would pop up, but nothing triggers it. I'll run it, but Enigma doesn't pop up. Pops up when you load it up, but the bot while it runs. Nobody's answering that. There's another one, somebody asking to reiterate what I've just said 3 times now about Enigma. What algo bar are you on in MACV? So these are standard. Go into our document section. If you're ever wondering what these should be on, RTY for me would be 8s. Never trade against a winner, exactly. The W. Black Unicorn, I'm sorry that no one has responded to you already, but open up a tech support ticket there in Discord and someone will help you out. Okay, getting my runners here. Still see the W. See the W. The wiener. There we go. Let's go pop that top, baby. Go pop that top. I'll run it closed myself. Let's get a measure. Man, I don't even have an AO in front of this to measure from, so it's the whole leg. It's the whole leg. Cross to a 13.3 up there for the gold line. Bam. All right, we'll see if we get any opportunities to add. I'm going to go long and continuous. If we get an Enigma, long side only. Go along with my current play. My pleasure. I'm gonna catch a bid right here on the 13.3. Adding to my position on the cross. You guys have heard me in my training videos, or heard me in small account challenges. That's how I roll. Only thing that's hesitating me to add any more right now is we are still neutral. We have not gone full buy side right here. So a little nervous there. Get a breakdown and we go red. I'll close it. So keeping an eye on the Mac VU. If it goes red, I will close this runner scenario here and look for a reassessment there on it. Let's see other places I can add. Pretty far down there. I'll close it out underneath the if we go into the red cross, I'll close it out and re-engage if we come back through, if we're not just going to do a straight run up here. 337 risk in check. If we pop that top right here, I will add to this position. This is a spot where, who was the guy the other day? It was Central, I think. I'm going to go ahead and do a buy stop limit, brother. Buy stop market right there. So if we pop that area, I expect that we will see a crap ton come through that level there and likely explode this sucker up. And we have prior high runner scenario potential on the high time frame, as well as our big gold target that we already drew above. Still waiting on this Mac VU though. I need the other instruments to get involved. The other instruments aren't getting involved. This could be an RTY shakeout. So still got my finger over the close here. If we start coming up underneath this area. In fact, yeah, I'm not gonna test it. I'm gonna put my stop underneath the red cross there. If they're not gonna defend this, if they're going to let people just pop in on that, then what ifs? Just waiting on the green. Go green. I'm gonna uncheck continuous here. I'm gonna manually did it. I got my finger over the buy ready to roll if we go, but I've also got my finger over the close. So left hand close, right hand buy. A bit of a different setup here, but left hand to close, right hand to buy. Buy. Gonna help this go. Curtis sings to me. Sing it to me, baby. Let's go. You hear them Rice Krispie treats? So tasty, so sweet, so crunchy. Let's go.
You got this, baby. I know it's been crazy. You don't see me, it's exhausting. City to city, cause I'm shiny, boys is popping.
Oh shoot.
Keep making plans, babe.
$400 superstition. I'm at 3,600. Make a mark right here. I'm at 3,600. If that superstition strikes right now, reinforce it once more. Oh boy. 11.1. Come on, baby. Push me. Push me. I'm going for it. Come on, come on. Go, baby. Come on. Go. Push me. Push me. Push me.
I'll go box you, turn it all around. You tell me that you need me, then you go and show me how. Wait, you tell me that
push me.
didn't think I'd see the game.
Uh-oh. Cross. Come on, push it. You're in the buyers. Let's go. Push them. Run them. Let's go. Never trade against the winner. Grinding. Grind up. Yes. Moderate buy, baby. We're on the buy side. Let's go. Okay, $400 superstition still sweating me. I'm in a half position. Oh no, we came back to neutral. No, no. Don't go neutral on me, bro. Sitting at 3,600 while extending a position. That is the exact definition of the $400 superstition. I would rather re-engage a position. There we go. Moderate buy, baby. Let's go. 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 Come on, run him. Run him and gun him. Run him and gun him. Run him and gun him. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. $343. 7 minutes till the 350 algo.
Yeah, I'm holding on your trades, got me 10 feet off the ground. Algo box makes trading like a game. Join us now and see what can be found. Algo box and never miss the game.
Are we gonna do an early celebration?
That's what I'm talking about. Get you some.
Bring back some old school right there, baby. Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna have to call in reinforcements. Oh, don't go neutral again. What are you doing to me? Come on, baby. Give me that run. Daddy wants a run. Let's go.
You got this, baby. I know it's been crazy. You don't see me, it's exhausting. City to city, cause I'm shiny, boys is popping. You keep making plans, babe, I'm sorry, I keep flopping. Call me late at night, cause I love it when we talk. You don't matter where I go with you, not here, it's just not home. No, I can't let go without you near. Feel alone.
Ooh, getting a we got a long enigma on the ES. Come on, baby, let's go. Don't let me down.
Algorithmic,
That's down, baby.
you tell me that you need me, then you go and show me how. Wait, you tell me that didn't think I'd see the game.
Boom, and especially the fact that $400 superstition. All right, come back here, tap here, collect, shake, and then run quick while everybody else gets wrecked. Possibility. I do think we're gonna run though. Matter of how hard it's gonna be to hold it.
Take another risk, take a trade, take a shot for you. And I need you like a heart needs a beat, something new. Yeah. You make it like a game now, winning every move, and you say follow and play along. Our box is true. It's too late to miss the game. Our box is too late. It's too late to miss the game. Our box is too late. Whoa. It's too late to miss the game. Our box is too late. It's too late. Our box is too late. Our box is too late.
3 minutes till the 350 algo. Hopefully I get a nice little sliver like we got over here. A little bit buggy. Sometimes it hasn't shown up for some reason. I'm not quite put my finger on as to why.
It's too late to miss the game. Out the box is too late. Yeah, I'm holding on your trades, got me 10 feet off the ground. Alga box makes trading like a game. Join us now and see what can be found.
All right, 350 algo coming in 2. Best. Oh boy, here's the 2 minute. Still says moderate buy. I'm trying to hold here. Is it a good sign that I need to use it right now? I'm just being honest. Like, full transparency. 2 minutes. There's the sliver. Or the shiver. And hopefully we run the river. Let's go, baby. The flow. What's the flow? Currently, flow is green. Hopefully, this is a fake out. Fake out. Shake out. No. What's your go? What day is it? It's Wednesday. 3:59. 1 minute. Here we go. 1 minute. 60 seconds to the 350 algo. What do you think? Moderate buy. Buy. Okay. Gonna have my left hand over the close. Make sure I've got stops in place. Yes. Okay, emergency stops are there. Get wild during that run. Where am I at? I'm at 8s. Okay. Up top, I will be punching in 12s in the event that I have to size up if we punch a run. Here we go. 15 seconds. 15 seconds to Mars. Y'all know that song from the 90s? 15 seconds to Mars. Here we go. $350 algo. comes the hit. Gonna hit me. 13.7. My superstition is screaming at me right now. Still stand by side. Someone turned off the machines today? Yeah, what's going on? Oh, somebody give me a read on NQ. What's NQ doing? I'm going to move this over to the side so I can see it. Sorry, I can't keep it on screen for you guys. You should have it on your own.
Enigma long on the RTY4.
See us stay by side. We just got an Enigma on the 4s. Moonshot 4s. $102 BPM NQ on the 3s? Really? So NQ is going nuts? Why? What you doing, baby? That's not good. So relative. She's not rolling yet. It's on the plate. We wrong. Getting long. So up top here, I guess I got time to flip this over because it's taking forever. So got a moonshot here. Okay, don't work, then there it is. Stop out below. We are not flatlined. So that is a proper stop location for an Enigma, right? So first Enigma we've seen in a very long time. So let's see if she's going to carry us home. I'm here in Rice Krispies. I'm going to go ahead and add to my position. I'm going 10 contracts. Moonshot. It is. Pretty deep stop there, though. That is 40 ticks on the stop. So I may close it out before that if she start to prove me otherwise, because I do want to hold about a 3K P&L here today. I'm just being honest. Trading my P&L. I hit 3,600. And it has been screaming at me, right? It's $400 superstition. If I'm holding a position through whatever reason, my almost entire career in trading, I have sorted the fact that if I am $400 away from my 4K target, particularly, and I am extending in a position, if I am holding that position and I do not close it out and then reestablish it, I end up losing more than I win. And so if that happens again, I'm going to reiterate that $400 superstition. Yikes, we just got a 15 level here on King timing. So that is enough to move it down if we don't start hitting and getting. $353, $354 now. Okay, lucky sevens. Where's the trap? Well, last trap that I see is back here. I mean, you could consider this a trap too, though. So hard read here. I do not see an obvious trap. It is just zoning. Actually, speaking of, let's draw the zone. Okay, draw the zone. Yikes. Narrow zone here. And Rice Krispies. Let's go. Keep snapping. Keep snap crackling. There you go. There you go, baby. Crack that top. Crack that top. Same play from before. Buy, stop, market. Crack that top and push me, baby. Crack that top and push me. Let's go. Daddy wants to hit a home run. Going for a home run. Home run derby. Home run derby. Snap, crackle, poppin'. Full position, 16. Look at the top on the 4s. Almost to ET20. There's ET20 pulling off half. There we go. Target's filled on ET20. Now it's runner time. Now it's runner time. Curtis, do the things. Oh, clustering, clustering. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm gonna pull half again. That is a big cluster that just came in on the ones.
You got this, baby.
My naked button's not working. I forgot. Oh my word. We fixed that in this next release. So I'm trying to naked this so I can. I got too many stops here. I'm having to see naked's not working. I'm gonna kill all these and I'm gonna drop a manual stop here. And I'm going to punch and stop. Okay. Hate to do it, but gotta put it under there. Gotta respect the cluster. 4 minutes to the close. 4 runners on. I'm over 4K. I'm at 4,300 on the day. I want to try to maintain that 4K at least. Let's see if we can get 5 though. I think we can get 5. Let's add 1 to it. Let's run 5s. Let's run 5s. Let's run 5s. Let's run 5s. Come on. Running 5s. Running 5s. I'm running 5s. I'm running 5s. Let's go. All the way to my gold line, baby. Come on. Run me 5s, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get it. 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 But what? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bust it. Boom. All the way up there. Come on. 2190. You got it in you. You got it in you. Do one of them wild childs. Let's go. Do the wild child, baby. Do the wild child. Let's go. Do the wild child. Let's go. 2 minutes, 15 seconds.
Take another risk, take a trade, take a shot for you. And I need you like
They are taking profits in this cluster here. They should push it one more leg so they can get the rest of their orders out. That's what I'm betting on. Let me show you what I'm talking about down here on the bottom. I'm showing you the higher time frame targets. So see all this? We know they're taking profits. Look, see all these big B's. Okay, they're taking profits. But oftentimes they will shove it up one more leg so they can and sell off, and then they'll leave it all in this space. That's what I'm hoping for. Look, you can also see another way. Look, see how they're taking profits? That's profit taking right there. Add on the cross.
Makes trading like a game. Join us now and see what can be found.
My $400 superstition is
DCDMRTY on
screaming
the
at me. You know it. Oh, it didn't make the run. Now, the thing is about that is if this were NQ, you know what I'm saying? I know how NQ reacts.
DCDMRTY
Like,
on the one.
I keep talking like this is NQ, but this is RTY, right? So it's a different vibe. Different vibe. Gotta call trades by Matt for the vibes. What's the vibes, chat? What's the vibes? What's the
DCDMRTY on
vibes,
the
chat?
4.
Chat, what's the vibes? What's the vibes? Chat, what's the vibes? Feeling the vibes. Got the vibes. We got the vibes. Who brought the vibes? Gotta bring the vibes. Need the RTY vibes. I know I'm not feeling it all. Yeah, he's friends with every scammer in the industry, so go figure. They don't care as long as they're putting food on the table for their fams. I get it. Let's go a half position. Whatever. I'm going all the way. Going all the way. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
CDMRTY on the
Do you suffer from a lack of a father figure? Do you have clinical depression? Have you ever accidentally broken your mom's favorite coffee cup, and when she found out you did it, she tied you to a bed and spanked you with a metal spatula? If you said yes to any of these things, I don't care. And to keep it a bean, no one cares.
Le Bon.
I will send you to Jesus.
Baby, I don't understand this.
Grilled cheese Obama sandwich.
Alrighty then. Don't forget, I'll be out. I'm in court tomorrow. Justice shall be served. Thanks for hanging out. For me, Pippy, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mossbot, Curtis G, and Eddie B. I am sitting out the Big H-Town. See ya! Art team. Show them how it's done. I'll catch you guys on Friday. Let's go.
The old adage where, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, more money and better opportunity, I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use, they have better front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
Forex is littered with crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of shifty characters and companies trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do is operate these Forex things.
With an arrow in my
Delta 5 loading. Long. Look for long. Harmonic pattern. Pick up. On deck. On freeze. Order filled. Target filled.
Audio Jungle.